My review for this Friedrich air conditioner. This is the control panel. Opens up. As you can see, there are a lot of settings. There's fan speed with a light, check filter, money saver, fan, cool, dry, mode, which I don't understand what it means. Filter, reset, timer on off, hour, the temperature in Fahrenheit, auto swing, and power. Now, right now it is on energy saver, which is why it's so quiet, because it's turned off, which is what it's supposed to do. I have repeatedly pressed auto swing here, as well as on the remote. The remote actually has more information over here. As you can see, the buttons light up to tell you what's what. If I press swing, you'll see, I don't know if you can see it, there's, well, when I press swing, as I press it, a button, a little indicator appears that it should be swinging. It has never, as I can tell, did the swinging thing, which is supposed to circulate the air more evenly around the room. I believe that this thing over here is what's supposed to do it. I've never seen it move, if you can see in there. Now it's going on. You can hear it's pretty quiet. It is actually a very small unit, as in you can fit it into a small window space. And if you see back here, the way you install it, that thing in the back, that's a chassis, which you install in the window, and then you put this in the unit itself into the chassis, and that way they're secure. Now, one of the problems with this is that the air conditioner itself is a very tight fit into the chassis. Now, it's great that what you install is the chassis itself, because that way you're not sticking an air conditioner in with nothing to support it. Okay, so you just heard it go on and go off. Pretty quiet. I'm comparing it to this. This is a Kenmore. Let's turn this on. As you can hear, it's louder. And you can see it's wider. This too has different settings. That is low. This is energy saver. It's got cool. It's got fan only, sleep, timer, auto high, medium low, different fan speeds, different modes, cool energy saver, fan only, and it does not have a remote. I'm going to turn this one off so you can hear again comparatively. So it's quieter, has a remote. That swing setting doesn't work. It's a place to put your the remote so that you don't lose.
This is our brand new LG Window 12,000 BTU air conditioner. We just had it installed today. We got it on Amazon and it arrived in good condition. And now we'll give it to test. Let's start with the remote. Really simple remote control. Not much to it. So let's hit the power button. Okay, it starts in energy saver. Let's go to cool. Let's check the fan mode. There's also a humidifier. See how it sounds on F1. I'm going to move a little bit so we don't get the rustling air noise, hopefully. And I guess that's about it. This lever is to allow outside air in or maintain it closed. Hi everyone, here's some more on this new LG 12,000 BTU window air conditioner. I'm going to check what the temperature coming out out of the vent is, and then we'll see how close it is. Well, according to this, it's 1 degree lower than my set temperature, so that's a good thing. Okay, and that's it for today, and that wraps this up. If you want a good air conditioner, this might be the way to go.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.